Welcome everyone, I am Geojay Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to georeference a map from journals or articles. So when you download a journal and you have a map inside, just like this one, and you are interested in using the map, how do you do that? So to do that, once you open it, the journal, you come to the map, click on it, then right click and copy. Then open a Microsoft Word page. Then right click and paste the map. So after pasting the map, click on the map. Then right click and you see save as picture. Click on it. Then navigate to your folder. In this case, my folder is exercise folder. Then give it a name. Let's say 1, for example. So choose the format. Let's use PNG. Click save. Click yes. So I have saved this map now as PNG in my exercise folder. So let's go to that folder. This is it. You can double click to open it. So this is the map. So this is the same map in the journal we downloaded. So you can see it. Then after that, you need to choose 4 points, ground control point, to georeference it. You can see the grids where they intersect. For example, here, this is where this grid intersects. We have another point here. You can choose another point here where the grids intersect each other. So after that, you can just label it point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. Then for point 1, you can see the latitude. This is it. And this is the longitude for point 1. So what you do is to convert it to decimal degree. So I've done a video previously on how to convert coordinate from degree, minutes, seconds to decimal degree. So you can watch it, and the link is in the description box. So after you have converted each point to decimal degree, point 1, this is the longitude, this is the latitude. Point 2, this is the longitude, this is the latitude. Point 3, this is the coordinates here. Point 4 also, this is the longitude, this is the latitude. So after you have done this conversion, you can now open any GIS software. In this case, let's use ArcMap to georeference. So click on add data to bring in the map, original map we downloaded. This is it, map 1. Click add. Click OK. So this is the map we got from the journal. So if you look here, you see that it is not georeference, and we want to georeference it. So come to georeferencing. If your own georeferencing is not showing, just come here, right click, and come to georeferencing. Check it. Once you check it, it will be displaying here. Then come to pick this add control point to. Then zoom to the first point you have chosen. Zoom in. Then click on the first point. Then right click, input X, Y. So if you remember, point 1, this is our longitude X and latitude Y. We want to input that value there. So for X, we input the value, which is 7.000. Then for Y is 10.5000. Click OK. The map will disappear. Then come to the layer, right click and zoom to layer. So you can see first point has been captured. Then zoom to the second point. Click, then right click, input XY. If you look at the second point, this is the longitude, this is the latitude. So input those values here. X is 7.000 and Y is 11.000. Click OK. Then right click again and zoom to layer. Then come to third point. zoom in and click, then right click, input X and Y. If you remember, this is our X and Y for 0.3, so input those values, 8.000, and here is 11.0000. Click OK. Then you can zoom to extent again, or zoom to layer, then come to 40 points, click on the intersection of the grid, then click on input X and Y. So the value of our X and Y for 0.4 is this, so input those values, 8.000, and here is 10.500. Click OK. So now you can zoom to layer, then come to georeferencing, click on the drop down and update georeferencing. Click on it. So you have georeferenced it, you can see it, but the unit is still unknown. So you come back to this layer, right click, go to properties, come to general, then map unit is unknown, change it to decimal degree, then display units, change it also to decimal degree, then click OK. So you can see it has been georeferenced and is displaying correctly. You can see it. So this is how you can georeference a map you got from a journal or articles. Thank you for watching.